Hi class, in this video we're going to be using similar triangles to find the missing length of certain values. So here I have triangle GHI. I am told that it is similar to triangle KLM. I'm going to find the missing side length represented by x and express my answer to the nearest tenth. So the first thing I wanted to look at is geometry. Looks like looking at the geometry where the shapes are for the triangles, KM should be corresponding to GI. So I'm going to find the scale factor for that. So Km, the length of Km divided by the length of Gi. I'm going to start with that. The length of Km is going to be 8. The length of Gi looks to be 2. So 8 divided by 2 would get me an answer of 4. And that 4 is going to be my scale factor. Now, the scale factor is important because I can use it to find the different lengths of corresponding sides. So for example, if I didn't know what 2 was, but I knew my scale factor and I knew Km equal to 8, I can simply say 8 divided by my scale factor, and that would automatically get me 2. Hence, if I also had the side 2 and I didn't have the side 8, and I know my scale factor, I can simply take 2, multiply it by my scale factor of 4, and get 8. So right now, looking at the other corresponding side, KL would be corresponding to GH, and GH is represented by X. So before I did 8 divided by 2, and I got my scale factor of 4. So vice versa, I can take 10 divided by X and get my scale factor of 4. But in this case, I'm going to divide 10 by my scale factor, and that should get me the result of X, similar to how I did it for here, because 8 divided by my scale factor of 4 got me 2. So I can do the same thing for 10 here. So 10 divided by my scale factor should get me the answer to X. In this case, 10 divided by 4, which is my scale factor, should be equal to 2.5. So hence I can say that X equals to 2.5, and that's how I found my missing length.